Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. First, open the Monopoly Go game. Then, tap on this album tab on your bottom left. Now click on an album and view a sticker with a duplicate and indicate it as a +1 or whichever corresponding number showing on your map. Then you have to select a friend. Select the username and confirm by tapping Send. Your sticker will be sent to your friend. You can only send up to 5 stickers a day. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.